Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Tuesday, July 7th. 7-7 portal today. 2020. I'm going to do an energy check. I'm sorry, no, I'm not. I'm doing daily message from Spirit. I don't even know I'm done. Okay, so I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday weekend. For those of you celebrating in the United States. Yesterday the energies were really bizarre. I was really I felt a lot of anger. I think I was clearing some anger. I'm not sure who I was feeling it from, but it was very, very intense. And it was just it was one of those days where it was just one thing after another, and it didn't matter how well I tried to center myself. I could not rise above it. It was really difficult. I don't know if any of you were feeling that, but yeah, it was pretty intense. I was not a fan. I don't like being angry. Brings out the worst in me. Trust me, I have a horrible temper. Mars in Scorpio, you know. Anyway, so let's get this started here. Yeah, okay, so temptation's coming back up here. So followed by procrastination and patience. So I really feel right now a lot of us have the temptation to just kind of not do anything. I know this has been the case for me for a little while. It's like my motivation is waning. It's like, it's not intentional. It's like I don't know. It's like my motivation has been zapped. Something is draining me, and I know that's the case for the collective right now. So some of you are feeling tempted to basically just say, screw this, I'm out. I don't want to do anything. And to be fair, if you feel like you need a break, you need to take some time for yourself, that is what your intuition is telling you. For goodness sakes, do it. Do it. Don't force yourself, to do something when your energy is not quite right. Okay? That's why I don't do readings. If my energy is not good, I refuse to do readings, personal readings, or on YouTube. Because if my energy is out of whack, then I know that it's not going to be, accurate. It's not going to be right. So if same thing with really anything else. If you don't have the right mindset for it, it may not be the best thing to do right now. Okay. So don't think of it as necessarily procrastination if you need to take a break. But I do feel some of you are just self-sabotaging. So there is a difference. Okay, it's up to you to know the difference, but the overall, message today really is to have patience with yourself. These healing aspects are very, very painful sometimes, and they do take a lot out of you. Okay, they do. They just take a lot out of you. And sometimes you just have to take a step back and say, you know what? I need a break. I need a break. I need to ground myself. I need to find something I enjoy. I need to get out of the house. I need to go take a trip. I need to do something, to get myself aligned. Okay, sometimes you just need to, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, okay. See, and that's the thing. Some of you are just resisting your healing right now, and that's what this is. Some of you are just in this, and trust me, I know, I've kind of been there for the last couple of weeks where I'm just I'm tired. I'm tired of the healing. I would love to just take a month and be like, you know what, I'm not gonna do anything. Wouldn't that be nice? If I didn't have a job and I would love to just take a month and just do whatever I want to do, right? So, I mean, there are days when, a lot of us feel this way, but, yeah, and take a break. It's fine. It's fine to take a break, but you do, have to get yourself back into it. But I do feel a lot of us are feeling pretty defeated. I feel it's mostly we're defeated by our karma. We're defeated by our healing. It's a lot of us right now are we don't want to play anymore. This is getting tough, right? This is getting to the point where I feel like I can't even function normally, and sometimes I do feel that way. Sometimes I just feel who am I? What am I doing? It's you question source so much sometimes that you don't even see the answers when they come to you. You just kind of sit there in this confusion energy. Okay, and some of us, that's where the temptation is. The temptation is in this confusion energy, which is keeping us from moving forward, right? But you also have to have patience with yourself as you work through the more difficult aspects of your journey, okay? But a lot of you just need to release this anxiety. A lot of you are just stuck in this anxious, giddy feeling almost, like you can't seem to get yourself out of it, but you have to. You've got to get yourself right, okay? So like I said, if you need to take a break, do it, some of you need to step into mission. Some of you need to release your anxiety, as it comes to mission, and that's where your issue is, okay? Yeah, show the world the real you. Some of you just need to just do it. Stop thinking about it. Just do it, okay? Yeah, some of you just need to take a step back and evaluate some things. That's all. You're not stalled. You're not failing necessarily, okay? It's a healing opportunity. It's a learning opportunity. Remember that. Maybe you just need to take a step back and take a look at what you need to do, okay? But most of you just need to move. You need to get out of this procrastination energy, okay? Have patience, yes, definitely, but some of you just need to move. Some of you have been sitting still for way too long. Move. It's time, okay? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.